Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen e-Golf E1F COMFORTLINE with 136 horsepower and a range of top-of-the-line features including a rear-view camera, electric folding mirrors, and active info display. This silver beauty has only 626 kilometers on the clock and comes with a 1-liter electric engine, manual transmission, and a host of comfort and safety features. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, this vehicle is ready for the road ahead. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today at blackwatermotors.ie for more information.